Meaning of guard's van.
Guard's van.
Guard's van.
Guard's van.
Guard's van. A guard's van is a railway vehicle traditionally used for carrying goods and luggage as well as providing accommodation for the train guard. In modern times, guards' vans have become largely obsolete due to advances in technology and changes in rail transport operations. The function of the guard's van has largely been replaced by electronic systems that monitor the trains and control the brakes, making the role of the train guard redundant in many cases. Today, some heritage railways still operate with guards' vans as part of their preservation efforts.